quite a windfall, but I can't help but ask, really, for how long, given the pressure on prices right now?
Well, good question. We could well be at the peak, but high oil prices have been very good for Saudi Arabia's state-controlled oil company. Its second quarter profit blows away all prior records. As mentioned, $48.4 billion dwarfs the profit of any listed company in the world. The company said free cash flow rose by 53% from a year ago, and it's using the windfall to reduce debt as well as invest in a huge expansion of its production capacity. Now, in terms of outlook, it is betting that demand for its oil and chemicals is going to remain high, and that's even as the world is starting to look to transition away from fossil fuels. In fact, the company's CEO expects oil demand to continue to grow for the rest of the decade, and that's despite the downward economic pressures on short-term global forecasts. Now, we're seeing this kind of boom from other energy companies as well. Exxon and Shell recently posted record second quarter earnings. That Russian invasion of Ukraine roiled the market, as we all know, sending oil prices above $100 a barrel and causing refining margins to soar. But as Sherry just said, there's a view that this could well be the peak of these major profits for the big oil.
Oil prices have been easing, though.
Yeah, they have. We are seeing in Asia trading West Texas Intermediate down a bit. It fell more than 2% on Friday, but did manage to post gains for the week. So we're seeing West Texas Intermediate and Brent crude as well sort of whipsawed between this combination of bullish and bearish headlines that have been hitting the market. Traders weighing the prospects of higher demand this winter against the potential for Iranian supply to return. Iran said it could accept a European Union brokered nuclear deal if it gets the right guarantees. So that could mean a lot more oil on the market. That's bearish. But cooling inflation that could ease the pace of rate hikes by the Fed, that's been supporting commodities across the board. You're now looking at gas prices, which is an unexpected and welcomed political break for the Biden administration here in the U.S. Gas prices recently fell below $4 for the first time since March. And U.S. Energy Secretary is saying that U.S. gas prices should fall further. So a lot of focus now on where oil goes from here. Options for West Texas Intermediate oil prices do tend to skew lower. We're seeing a lot more bearish bets for the near term. And so that could be an indication of what trading sentiment is right now. Back to you.